everyone, Sarah back again today for Erica Rose Creates, and I am going to be using the gorgeous Rainbow Vibes digital cut file. Down below it'll be linked. I'm going to link the actual cut file, and then you can also order a pre-cut cut file if you don't have a die cutting machine or anything like that. I'm also playing with the little girl scrapbook layout kit. And so that's what I'll be playing with now. I did not make you watch me back the entire cut file. I am doing an 8.5 by 11 layout. And so I'm only using a portion of the rainbow actually. I also didn't make you watch me do all of the foam adding it to the background. I'm going to go ahead and place this down, and then I'm going to cut it off, but I'm also going to trim my layout down because I know I want to back it with another paper because I don't want that much white. I really am liking having the little border on my layouts lately anyways. And I'm also going to use the heart as just like my little area to tuck things. I wanted to make a shaker out of it, but I decided against it this time. I'll probably use the cut file again and make a shaker out of it because why not? I mean, so fun. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and trim this down. I did use 2 different cutters because I had already put the 3D foam on it. So yeah. I'm also going to pop my photo up, seeing how a portion of it will be on top of the cut file, but I also want it to be above the heart. So I'm going ahead and cutting those pieces of foam down and adding them, and then going ahead and sticking my photo on top. I'm going to pull out the stickers, and I love this little mushroom house. It's too cute. And so I wanted to use that. I'm going to add some flowers so there's not that white gap at the bottom, and I can move the mushroom up a little more, just kind of make my own scene there. I'm using that little banner. It says, "You amaze me." And I'm going to pop these little butterflies. I think that's what I'm messing with right now. There's butterflies on the sticker sheet, and I'm going to pop 3 of them up. A purple, like a blue, and a pink. Excuse me. This is a really fast layout for me. It came together super fast, and I really enjoyed it though. I like how easy it came together using the cut file because it took up a majority of the page, but I got to use multiple patterns and everything like that, and then create this little scene with my stickers. I added that little unicorn head behind the mushroom house like it was peeking out, and glued everything down. I'm going ahead and I'm adding some glue behind the butterflies. That's what they are. And I'm just trying to figure out if I'm going to use anything else. I do place that sun up top. I'll trim the edges off in a little bit. And then I added that floral down at the bottom there by the photo. And this is where I'm going to try and figure out if I want to stick more stickers or if I want to go ahead and find my backing. And so I'm going through the papers now, and I'm trying to find what I want to go behind it. And I'm going to choose this purple. I love the purple. It's gorgeous. I love purples, and you don't see them in a ton of collections anymore. And so I use them really as much as I can. I'm going to go ahead and gut this so I still have that centerpiece because it's not going to show on the layout anyways. I'm always big on, saving my paper if I can. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to add some adhesive, and I will put this down. Let's see. Really, that's about all I'm doing right now. I'm almost done with this layout. I do have one more thing that I'm going to do to it, but after I get it stuck down is when I'll do that. So I'm going to go ahead and place it so it just has a little bit of that purple border around it. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of my mess, and I'm going to grab some gold aqua splash from my stash, and I am going to splatter away on this layout, and that will finish this layout for me. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up, and okay, I swore I was done. Oh, yeah, it might help if I actually glue the photo down, huh? So I went ahead and did that, and that does finish up this layout for me. I really hope that you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!